In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 potential ways that you can make money from Amazon without selling a single product.
Say what?
What's up guys, Christos here and welcome back for another video. Now, you will mainly know me for making videos about how to resell products for a profit on Amazon and making money that way. But today's video, I'm actually going to be telling you still how to make money from Amazon, but this time you don't actually have to sell a physical product to do so. And I'm going to be diving into these methods in just a second. And just to clarify guys, I have personally made profit from 3 out of the 5 of the different ways that I'm going to be talking about. But also I know people that have made money from the other 2 that I personally haven't tried out yet. So all of these different methods are completely legitimate. I'll provide examples on each one. But yeah, let's get into it. The only thing I always ask you guys to do is if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But apart from that, let's get into the list. Okay, so the first way that you can make money from Amazon without selling a single product is through a thing called Amazon affiliates. Now, basically what Amazon have is an affiliate program where if you have either a YouTube channel, a blog, or a social media presence, you can recommend products that are on the Amazon website and you can get paid a commission if the customer was to buy that product. Now, let's just use an example of myself. In the past, I've made various videos sharing the different supplies that I use to run my Amazon business. In those videos, I have used Amazon affiliate links to things such as tape, shipping scales and stuff like that. And if people were to purchase that product through my link on Amazon, I would get around 2 to 3% of that sale. Now, that is not much, but if you are building that up over thousands of viewers that are potentially buying thousands of those products, it can become quite a nice income in the long run. And the other really cool thing about the Amazon affiliate program is that if someone was to purchase a product, it could be something as small as like a roll of tape. For the next 24 hours, if they were to purchase anything else on the Amazon website, you would also get the affiliate commission for that. Obviously, Amazon is a massive platform, so the chances of someone else doing some more shopping on that website within 24 hours are quite high, and it's a really good chance for you to build up some side income. That's if you have either a social media presence, a YouTube presence, or maybe a website or a blog. Now, what this business model is called is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not going to go deep into affiliate marketing in this video, but I have made basically an introduction to affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel, and I'll leave a link above there for you guys to go and check that out if that is something you are interested in. Now, the second way that you can make money from Amazon without reselling a physical product is by investing into Amazon on the stock market. Now, this is something that I personally did in mid 2017 when I didn't really know too much about the stock market. I was very new to it at the time. Definitely my investment strategy has changed a lot now, but basically I bought Amazon when it was around $750 to $800, and then I sold it at around $1,100, which is obviously selling it for a profit, and that kind of qualifies into this video if I actually made money from Amazon. Personally, if I could have gone back and changed some things, I would have kept hold of that one stock that I purchased, because Amazon stock has now gone up from the $750-ish that I invested in at all the way up to $3,200 on the date of recording this video, which is absolutely insane. That is a profit of over $2,000 in just over 3 years. So that is one way that you can make money from Amazon, is definitely by investing in it. Now, one thing that I have to say is when you are investing in stocks, especially in individual stock, you have to know the risks. So I can always say that you should definitely be risking only money that you can afford to lose. And this is definitely not any financial advice for you in terms of investing into different stocks and stuff like that. But this is one way that I have personally made money from Amazon in the past. Of course, because it has just gone up in the past, it doesn't mean it's going to continue going up in the future. So when you are looking at Amazon stock or any kind of stock, make sure you're doing your own due diligence before you invest. If you were interested in taking a look at Amazon as a stock, or maybe any stock, or just investing in general, then I highly recommend this new app that I've been trying out recently. It's called Free Trade, where you can trade stocks with zero commission, which is absolutely fantastic. If you were to use my link down below, we will both get a share worth anything between $3 and $200 for absolutely free. All you need to do is deposit £1 onto the platform, and then within a certain amount of days your free share will be sent to you. So make sure you go and check those guys out down below. But yeah, second way that you can make money on Amazon without reselling a physical product is by investing in Amazon. Now, the third way that I want to talk about is something that I personally haven't done, but I had to include it in this video because I have a really close friend that was doing this for a long time, but then they actually discovered reselling on Amazon and they've kind of dropped this one. But this one is still a really good way of making money on Amazon, and that is starting up Amazon Flex. Now, basically, if you didn't know what Amazon Flex was, it is basically like the Uber for Amazon parcels. Basically, what you have is an Amazon Flex app. You book yourself a time where you want to go and work and deliver parcels for people. You don't need a van, you don't need anything like that. You can do it in your own car, and you will actually get paid anything between £13 and £15 per hour working for Amazon Flex, which I think is absolutely amazing. And like I said, it's not a full-time job. It's not like a job or anything like that. You book your own time in and you can actually make money doing it. Now, my dad lives in America, and I know that this is absolutely massive out there at the moment, and I still personally think it is still quite quiet in the UK. It's not as mainstream as it is over in the States, but I think this is only going to get bigger and more popular as the time goes on. What I will do is leave a link to the Amazon Flex website. It's all official through Amazon, that you can go and check out, and maybe it might be suitable for you, maybe not, but I personally think it's a really good way to make some money on Amazon, especially if you've got some spare time that you don't mind doing a little bit of driving as well. So go and check that out. Moving on to the fourth way that you can make money on Amazon without reselling a physical product is by selling your profitable deals to a deal sheet provider. So quickly, just to break this down for people that are probably a little bit confused, basically on Amazon there is a business model out there, and it's something that I talk about a lot on my YouTube channel, called retail and online arbitrage. And basically all this business model consists of is going to retail stores, buying products on the cheap, and then selling them on Amazon for a profit. Now, what some people do is actually sell their deals that they find in the stores to what is called a deal sheet provider. And basically a deal sheet provider is a service which they offer to Amazon sellers that do this business model, where they provide them with X amount of deals every single day that they can go out and purchase in the store and sell on Amazon for a profit. Now, I know you're probably thinking, why wouldn't they just buy them deals for themselves? Number one, maybe they're not interested in storing products and selling them on Amazon or anything like that. Number two, they may be already selling on Amazon, but they don't have the money to actually buy the new products, so they're just selling the deals that they're finding instead to raise a bit of capital. And number three, maybe they just enjoy doing this a little bit more. Now, I've personally done this a couple of times in the past when my capital's been really low, when I haven't had money to go and buy stock. And basically the deal sheet service that I personally use is Online Arbitrage Deals. I will leave some screenshots on the screen here, but you can go to their website, and if you go all the way down to the bottom, there is a thing called Deal Arbitrage. And basically all you need to do is submit a deal that meets the certain criteria that they are asking for, and they will pay you £10 for every deal that you find, which isn't really that bad considering you have to pay no money up front to buy the products or anything like that. All you need to be doing is actually finding a profitable deal that sells well on Amazon, and they will give you the money almost instantly. So that's a really cool way that you can actually make money without actually investing or risking any capital up front. You can just get paid by doing some searching on the internet and find some cool deals. Now, the fifth and final way that you can make money on Amazon is something that I'm personally going to be looking at in the future. I haven't done yet, but I know it's a really cool business model if you can get it right, and that is doing merch by Amazon. Now, for those that don't know what merch by Amazon is, it's basically a print on demand service that Amazon offers where you can upload upload your own t-shirt designs, jumper designs, or anything like that to Amazon. And what they will basically then do is list your design on their website. And if someone was to purchase your t-shirt design from Amazon, they will print the design onto the t-shirt for you and then send it to the customer. This is really good because, of course, you do not have to buy the physical t-shirts. All you have to do is upload the designs to Amazon, and if they sell, you get paid. All being the profit margin isn't going to be as big if you bring the t-shirts in yourself, but once again, you are having to risk zero capital upfront to actually start this. Now, merch by Amazon is actually in really high demand at the moment, so you do actually have to request an invite on there, but you can go over to the website and set that up. I'll leave a link to the website in the description down below. Apart from that, guys, there are 5 different ways that you can potentially make money on Amazon without reselling a physical product. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I shall catch you guys in the next one. Take care.